Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In this video, I'll show you how to set up Google Ads conversion tracking for the Calendly event schedule. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get started. So you can see over here in our landing page, we have a Calendly form. Okay, so if someone select the date and time and schedule this event and track this as a Google Ads conversion. Okay, Google Ads booking appointment conversion. So how can I basically do that? So I'll show you how we can do that in this video. Okay, perfect. So you can see over here, I have already connected a Google Tag Manager account with this landing page viewer. Okay, perfect. So first of all, we need to uh, use a custom HTML code for Calendly, and we need to use this custom Calendly event listener code to the custom HTML. So let's do that. I can name it as HTML Calendly listener. Okay, perfect. So the tag configuration would be custom HTML, and I can copy the code from here. Okay, and I'm pasting it over here. And the triggering would be all pages. Perfect. So you can see over here, I have created a conversion linker tag for the ZCL ID. Okay. And additionally, I have created Google tag for Google Ads. Okay. Perfect. So let's create the booking appointment tag. So first of all, we need to go to the conversion from the goals, then conversion section. Then we'll create a new conversion action. So you can see over here, we can scan our website. You can see Google tag is installed on our site. Perfect. Now we'll not be selecting this option because we want to select this option, conversion on a website. Then I'll click on save and continue. Then I need to choose a category of my conversion action. So I'm going to be choosing booking appointment. Then I'll be choosing the first option, set manually using code. Then I'm going to select this conversion settings. So this will be my primary conversion action. Okay, then the conversion name will be Calendly booking appointment. So I can write Calendly booking appointment. Perfect. And as the value, I want to use the same value. So maybe this is $100. I can give the static value of $100 for each conversion. And the count would be 1. And I am to maximize the click-through conversion window. This is 90 days already. Then engage-through conversion window, 30 days. View-through conversion window, 30 days. And attribution would be data driven, and enhanced conversion managed through Google Ads. Okay, done. Then save and continue. Then I'm going to be choosing Google Tag Manager. Okay, so they have given us conversion ID and conversion level. So before setting up conversion ID and conversion level, I want to create a data layer event. So first of all, let's preview this. And let's keep our Calendly booking page and hit continue. So if I go to the tag assistant, then just wait a little bit, we should see the page. view event type view. So you can see over here. So this would be our data layer event. So let's create the data layer variables actually. So TLV, that is Calendly event. Then we need to select data layer variable, and we're going to be pasting this value over here. Perfect. Then we're going to be creating the tags. So I can name this tag like this: total layers conversion Calendly cookie appointment. Okay, tag configuration would be 𝒂𝒂𝒏𝒆 conversion tracking. Now we need to provide the conversion ID and conversion label. So this is the conversion ID. You can create a constant variable if you want, but for the time being, I don't need. Then here is our conversion label. So I'm gonna paste the conversion label. We don't need conversion value, transaction ID, and currency code because they are necessary for the e-commerce events like add to cart, checkout, purchase, something like that. Okay. So the triggering would be event Calendly. So we need to create a custom trigger, Calendly trigger. Okay, trigger configuration, custom event. Then we can copy this event name. Okay, so the event name will be Calendly. Then, as I told you, if someone select time and date and book the appointment, then we want to fire this tag. Okay, so that's why the triggers will be fired on some custom event. Then TLB Calendly event equals. Then we're gonna be using this event actually. So we need to review it first. So let's review this first. So let's discuss the changes. I can give this as all pages for now. Then I'll change the triggering. Okay, so let's review it. Then I'm gonna schedule an event. So let's schedule this. Okay, so I have scheduled an event. So let's find this event scheduled. So this one. Okay, perfect. So now let's modify these tags. So the tag name is Google Ads conversion calendar appointment. Okay, so this one. So let's modify the trigger. So instead of using all pages, we are going to be using the custom event. So Calendly event triggering configuration would be custom event. Now we can take this event name Calendly, then some events. As I told you, we want to fire this event only for this Calendly event schedule. Okay, so I'm gonna choose our data layer variable, which is TLB Calendly event equals this event. Okay, perfect, event is scheduled. So let's do that. Then I'm gonna hit save. I'll hit save again. Now let's preview this container. Let's finish this. So let's go to the working section. You will see that this one is inactive. So let's preview this, then it will be active. So I'm gonna hit commit. Then I'll be choosing a edit. So for example, this one. So let's go to the tab and see if these events were not. So you cannot see any events called 𝒂𝒂𝒏 conversion Calendly event. But if we schedule this event, then this event should fire. So it is showing I'm not 𝒂𝒂𝒏. So just wait a little bit. 𝒂𝒂𝒏𝒂𝒏𝒂𝒏𝒂𝒏𝒂𝒏𝒂𝒏𝒂𝒏𝒂𝒏𝒂𝒏𝒂𝒏𝒂𝒏𝒂𝒏𝒂𝒏𝒂𝒏𝒂𝒏𝒂𝒏𝒂𝒏𝒂𝒏𝒂𝒏𝒂𝒏𝒂𝒏𝒂𝒏𝒂𝒏𝒂𝒏𝒂𝒏𝒂𝒏𝒂𝒏𝒂𝒏𝒂𝒏𝒂𝒏𝒂𝒏𝒂𝒏𝒂𝒏𝒂𝒏𝒂𝒏𝒂𝒏𝒂𝒏𝒂𝒏𝒂𝒏𝒂𝒏𝒂𝒏𝒂𝒏𝒂𝒏𝒂𝒏𝒂𝒏𝒂𝒏𝒂𝒏 Okay, so continue, and uh, meeting has been or booking has been scheduled, and you will see Google Ads conversion Calendly with the appointment. Okay, so this one has fired. Perfect. So this is how we can set up. And if you refresh the screen, then we will see the no activity status. Just wait a little bit. I can see over here no recent conversions. Okay, so if you see any conversions from Google Ads, then it will show the value. So all conversion 1 to 3, something like that, and it will show the status as active. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. And if you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day.